Beach Wine and Food Festival has officially kicked off. But look past the celebrities, the delicious bites, and all those sips.
And what you'll find, though, are over 1,000 FIU students helping. Who knew, right? That's so awesome. But after visiting the campus and learning how to make wine at home with one of the professors and some students, one thing is clear, Shireen. We picked the wrong college major. For real.
Totally.
Wednesdays are for wine.
And I've been known to sample the occasional rosé.
And February, the South Beach Wine and Food Festival, Thursday through Sunday.
You can't help but either be impressed or just have fun.
With help from 1,300 FIU students.
They're so involved. You see the hard work and the fruits of their labor.
It makes sense since the event benefits its Chaplin School of Hospitality and Tourism Management, $34 million to date.
This is a great place to really hone in on your passion.
You learn a lot on history. You learn a lot on people's palates and people's cultures.
So I met 3 members of the Student Wine Guild and Professor Albert Rivera.
Everything from brewing science to winemaking, and I also teach a class for food and wine pairing.
To learn the art and science of winemaking, which with a kit you can do at home too.
It's intimidating, but it's so easy. We are gonna make a red Zinfandel blend.
Ingredient 1, bentonite.
Why are we adding clay to our wine? Is that how you get the earthy notes? But no, it's just to clarify everything.
Then the good stuff.
A lot of these vineyards have extra juice at the end of the day when they're doing their harvest. They will actually pack it up and sell it to these companies that give it to us to make wine at home.
But just to clarify.
Alex, it's not wine yet, it's just juice.
Oh. Next,
Heavily packed skin.
grape skins. What is this? No! Y'all, is it just me?
You know, it's really reminding me of...
All right, let's just... Now, throw in some oak chips.
This is a cheap alternative to using oak barrels.
And finally, the yeast.
This is the end of day 1. In about 2 weeks, we go more into stabilizing. Then we go into clarifying. And then within a month, we'll have the wine be done.
Turns out a month is longer than 5 minutes.
So impatient, man.
But plenty of time to name and brand our 25 new bottles.
Deco Drive, better with wine. Deco Drive, almost 30 years in the barrel and never more acidic. Almost 30 years in the barrel. And I think we need a few more.
That was amazing. Did you actually get
So much
Did you
fun.
get to taste it or something?
I'm going to in a month.
Oh, okay.
But that's
okay,
25 bottles, so I'm hoping that they give me at least one.
Yeah, I hope it's good.
It's good. You should get into it. Winemaking at home, it actually is pretty easy. Once you get the kit going, it's straightforward.
I mean, what? I can go get gas station wine. Why
That's
am I going to
true.
make it?